Y'all country much? This is my pool site. The tree is right at the edge of it. She's got to go. I've got the inside line is the pool. The outside line is my dig. I got to have at least a foot over dig. This is a 30 footer. I'll have 32 foot of dig when I get done. Transit set up. If you didn't see that, it's about a foot and a half out. I can roll some of it, but it's got to be compactable. The grass, topsoil, I need to push it aside. I can't just put it under a swimming pool or it'll collapse over time and the pool will get out of level. First thing I'll do is have to knock that tree out. It's not very big, but you never know how aggravating it's going to be till you get started. Now we'll get the tree. That made short work of that, didn't it? How about that? That's not a very big tree, but you never know. All right. Now, the first thing I got to do is make sure I strip the topsoil, the grass off here. We don't want any of that in there. And then I'll pick me a line that I have a good cut. What I mean is, you never know how it's going to dig. So it might dig easy straight in. It might dig easy this way or that way. And then I'll hit my grade. I'll work from there. Once I see grade, I can feel grade by the seat of the pants. If you've ever heard that term, it's an actuality. When you run one of these machines long enough, you know what it feels like when you're level. I'm gonna set you up right there. I think that's a fair, yeah, that's a fair look. This should take me about an hour and 15 minutes. Just depends on how well it cuts. See, there's my lines. There's my 2 lines. Oop, looking the wrong way. There's my 2 lines right there. I've cut to the outside one. It don't hurt if I go a little extra. All right, here's where the tree was. It had to go. We're gonna do some stop frame, see how that looks. All right, we've got our circle established. Now I got to remove stuff from this side and take to that side to the point. I got it level as I want, as compact as I want. I missed a little grassy spot right there. I'll get it as I do this. That machine weighs 5,600 pounds. And with a loaded bucket, it's got pretty good packing force. So I don't concern myself about the packing on that side. I think it'll be fine. Now I got to get you pointed right. Looks pretty good. Let's do it. got the site prep as good as I get by myself, as good as I'm worried about. We'll get here in the morning. We'll finish it up. That's a 32-foot minimum diameter. Sorry about that. I'm gonna scratch it up just a little bit. So little spots I don't. That little spot right there, you know, little things like that. It's nothing crazy. Very close. Sorry about the wind. I'm covering it up best I can. All right. That's all I'm gonna do on this today. That's my baby. That tell me I'm right. Everybody say, but country mud. Why'd you leave that gap out right there? Well, I gotta get the truck and the sand in here. People say, but country mud. Why the back of your bucket so high when you're trying to dig? The cutting edge gets radiused over time, and you have to raise the back of the bucket so the pointy part will hit the knife edge. We're gonna lash this baby down and move on to the next one. I'll do you a video on that, but it's windy and I don't even know how good this video is gonna be. You probably see my hand there, so I'm trying to shield it. Thank y'all.